SounDigital EVOX2 800.4 4 Ohm 4-channel car amplifier. Honest, real-world results. Have you ever cranked your car audio, heard the clipping start, and just accepted it as normal? I did that for 2 years before realizing my amp was simply drowning in its own heat and distortion. One road trip, everything sounded thin and harsh the whole way. Not the speakers, the amplifier. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if weak amp power has ruined a good playlist. That pressure of knowing your system could sound incredible but consistently falls short creates this heavy fog of audio disappointment you carry into every drive. You tried upgrading speakers, you swapped head units. The distortion stayed. Common fixes never addressed the actual bottleneck. But there is a smarter, cleaner, more efficient way to unlock what your system was always capable of delivering. Don't just pick any 4-channel car amplifier. Make sure it has patented thermal management and vibration absorption, so you never suffer overheating, distortion, and premature failure again. That is exactly what led me to the SounDigital EVOX2 800.4 4 Ohm 4-channel 800-watt RMS bridged power car amplifier, and honestly, the discovery felt almost accidental. Here is what surprised me. This amp measures just 5.8 by 4.4 by 2.0 inches, yet delivers 132 watts per channel at 4 ohms cleanly, with bridged output hitting 400 watts per pair. The dynamic thermal management system keeps internal temperatures stable under sustained high-volume loads. The vibration absorption system protects the circuit board from road vibration, extending long-term reliability significantly. The 91 decibel signal-to-noise ratio means your music stays clean and quiet between notes. Let me be honest, a sound engineer I know was finishing a custom install at midnight before a competition deadline. The EVOX2 tucked under a seat, wired cleanly, and delivered pristine stage sound without a single thermal shutdown. Calm, controlled, and completely dependable. After extended daily use, the difference becomes part of your routine in the best way. Boot the car, hit play, and the sound is immediately tight, clear, and warm without adjustment. Bass stays controlled, mid-range stays present, highs never feel harsh. That consistency is what separates a quality amp from a compromise. A car audio expert tested the EVOX2 on a dyno and confirmed it hits its rated 132 watts by 4 at 4 ohms precisely, praising clean power with minimal distortion across all frequencies. An amplifier tester noted the damping factor of 200 delivers noticeably tighter bass control compared to budget alternatives. An industry analyst highlighted that the power supply running above 90% efficiency explains why this amp runs significantly cooler than competitors under load. One installer user confirmed it remains stable at 2 ohm loads during extended sessions without thermal shutdowns. Fair limitation to mention, the EVOX2 is not 1 ohm stable, so if your subwoofer setup demands that, you will need to plan accordingly. No DSP is built in either, which means external tuning tools become important for advanced setups. Which matters more to you, compact size or raw output flexibility? The SounDigital EVOX2 800.4 4 Ohm 4-channel 800-watt RMS bridged power car amplifier turns an underpowered, distorted listening experience into something genuinely satisfying and consistent every single drive. Thousands of car audio enthusiasts, custom installers, and motorcycle builders already rely on this amplifier in demanding builds worldwide. Results may vary based on your system configuration. This video contains affiliate links in the description and pinned comment. No pressure at all, just click, explore the specs, and see if this amp fits your build today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.